Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you change the spark plugs in BMW R1200 GS boxer engine. I'm going to show you the tools. I'm going to show you the procedures to do the spark plugs change. These bikes already have 20,000 miles. Okay, in this case, like I said, for the service, changing the spark plugs in the BMW GS, same engine, 1200. We're using the 3/8 ratchet, then the 1/4 inch ratchet, of course the two spark plugs, BMW NGK. I'm using anti-seize, and then the Torx. For my case, in this case, is the engine bars T15 Torx, and then this one is T25 Torx for the cold pack, and the harness T25 Torx, and then for the little bolt for the bar T15 Torx, and then for the spark plugs 14mm special tool. This one is 14mm 12 points, 6 inches 3/8 extension. Okay, in my case, my motorcycle will have engine bars protection, and then one at the bottom, and then the other one right here. So we have access to the spark plug. It's right here behind this plastic, the cover for the coil pack. Torx C15. You need to play a little bit with your engine bar protectors right here to take it out the cover for the coil pack, and then the spark plugs and behind this plastic cover. Torx T25. Just take it out the bolts, and then this cover for the coil packs, take it out like a slide like this. The coil pack with the spark plug, and then the harness connector right here, like this. Then pull it a little bit slow. There you go. These kind of pliers to try to hold the coil pack carefully. Try to pull it a little bit, sometimes a little harder, but just put a little bit pressure like this, and then it's kind of super easy to just pull it out carefully. Now we have access to the spark plug, where I use this special tool, cut 14mm socket, 12 points, special tool for these spark plugs. Okay, this is the new spark plug. It's for the threads. I use the tool, 14mm socket. Alright, put it slowly right here. Try to put it straight, that way you can catch all the threads in the right position. Do it by hand, always do it by hand first, and then same position. The connector to the front of the engine, to the front of the motorcycle. Try to turn a little bit, and then when you hear like a click, it's all the way in. Alright, put it back the connector, same way. Make sure the little connector right here goes the hinge same hole. The cover position like this, click like that,